Now we will solve question number 7 for the differentiation of P3 A2 level. The question is, the diagram shows the curve y equal to 4 minus x into e power x and has its maximum point M. The curve cuts the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. Part 1. Write down the coordinates of A and B. Part 2. Find the coordinates of M. Part 3. The point P on the curve has the x-coordinate P. The tangent to the curve at P passes through the origin O. Calculate the values of P there. This the curve is y equal to 4 minus x into e power x. And the curve is going to cut at the point A and B. So first we will find the coordinates of A and B. Since A is going to lie on x-axis, so for A point you put y equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 4 minus x into e power x. E power x into 4 minus x is equal to 0. But e power x cannot be equal to 0. So 4 minus x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 4. So the points A coordinate is 4 and 0 there. For the point B, put B going to lie on the y-axis, where x coordinate is 0. So y equal to 4 minus x into e power x. So y equal to 4 minus 0 into e power 0. That is 4 into 1. That is 4. So B has the coordinates 0 and 4 here. So these are the coordinates of A and B we have calculated. Then in the question statement, they say that M is the maximum point of this curve here. And at the maximum point, we know that the gradient of this curve is equal to 0. So we will find dy by dx for this curve here, where this function is taken to be v and this function is taken to be u. So e of x as is into 4 derivative is 0 and x derivative is 1 plus 4 minus x as is into e of x derivative is e of x. So this thing is going to be e of x plus 4 minus x into e power x there. This is the maximum point, so dy by dx should be equal to 0. So if e of x is taken to be common, minus 1 plus 4 minus x should be equal to 0. Or e power x into minus 1 plus 4, 3 minus x is equal to 0. E of x cannot be equal to 0. So 3 minus x is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 3 is the maximum point for x coordinate of this position there. Then in the next part, they say that P is going to lie on the x-axis and O is the point 0, 0. So since O is 0, 0 and the coordinates for the point P there is x coordinate is P and y coordinate we put P in this part. So it should be equal to 4 minus P into e power P is the coordinates for the M. So the M P point there. Now gradient of this curve is dy by dx, which is denoted by M. That should be equal to We have already calculated the derivative of this thing equal to e power x into 3 minus x there. So at the point P, it should be e power p into 3 minus p is the gradient of this point M. Also, the gradient of OP, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that thing is equal to 4 minus p into e power p minus 0 over p minus 0. That thing is equal to 4 minus p into e power p over p. Because these two gradients are same, so 4 minus p into e power p over p should be equal to the gradient of this curve is e power p into 3 minus p. E power p and e power p cancel out. So 4 minus p over p is equal to 3 minus p. If we cross multiply, 4 minus p is equal to 3p minus p square. This will become p square. 3p when it is shifted toward the left, it will be minus 4p plus 4 equal to 0. P minus 2 into p minus 2 equals 0. So p is equal to 2. So the value of p there is equal to 2 for this equation or this there to calculate the value of this